Welcome to today's instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality -7m plus 3 is less than or equal to 17. Stay tuned to learn the step-by-step process for finding the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality -7m plus 3 less than or equal to 17, we will follow a step-by-step process. Step 1. Isolate the variable term on one side of the inequality. First, let's move the constant term on the left side, which is the plus 3, to the right side. We do this by subtracting 3 from both sides of the inequality. Subtracting 3 from the left side also means we subtract 3 from the right side to keep the inequality balanced. Original inequality, -7 meanum plus 3 less than or equal to 17. Subtract 3 from both sides of the inequality. -7 mem plus 3 minus 3 less than or equal to 17 minus 3. Now simplify both sides of the inequality. The 3 and -3 on the left side cancel each other out, leaving us with -7 mem less than or equal to 17 minus 3. Then simplify the right side. 17 minus 3 equals 14. So the inequality is now -7 meters less than or equal to 14. At this point, we have successfully isolated the variable term, -7 meters, by removing the constant from the left side. The inequality has been altered to -7 meters less than or equal to 14 by subtracting 3 from both sides. This keeps the inequality balanced and simplifies the expression. The next step is to solve for m by isolating it completely, but for now, we have finished step 1. Step 2. Solve for the variable. Now that we have the inequality -7 mem less than or equal to 14, we need to solve for m. To do this, we must isolate m on one side of the inequality. Currently, m is being multiplied by -7, so we need to undo this multiplication. We do this by dividing both sides of the inequality by -7. However, there is a crucial rule in solving inequalities. Whenever we divide or multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, we must reverse the direction of the inequality sign. This is essential to maintain the truth of the statement. So let's proceed by dividing both sides of the inequality by -7 and reversing the inequality sign. Original inequality, -7m less than or equal to 14. Divide both sides by -7, -7m divided by -7. Then reverse the inequality sign from less than or equal to greater than or equal. This leaves us with greater than or equal to 14 divided by -7. Simplify both sides. -7m divided by -7 is just m, and 14 divided by -7 simplifies to -2. So the final inequality is m greater than or equal to -2. In interval notation, this solution can be represented as the closed interval from -2 to positive infinity. This means that m can be any number from -2 onwards, including -2 itself. So the solution to the inequality in interval notation is left square bracket -2, comma, infinity, right parenthesis. And we have successfully completed step 2, which is also the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.